Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be guiding you to log in Paycom employee account. Watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and tap bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Now, for logged in into your account, open any web browser on your PC. Then type paycom.com and click enter on a keyword. Now you will land it to its official website. Tap on Login and choose Employee from the option. After tapping, you will head it to its login page. Here you type in your account username followed by password and then type in 4-digit social security number. You can double check your password and SSN by tapping on I icon. Now click on login button to get logged in to your account. In case you can't remember your username or your password, you can click on forget username or password link to recover your credentials. Now after all the steps you followed and enter all your details correctly, you will be able to log in to your account. I hope this video helped you to log in to your account. If it did, don't forget to give it the thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Keep watching.